Good morning, Texans. It is Tuesday, April 7th, 2020, and it's time for our morning announcements. We'll start with our pledges of allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now the great state of Texas. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. And now a moment of silence. This week is National Assistant Principals Week. So think about Mr. Barnhart, Ms. Bissett, Mr. McCowan, Ms. Railsback, and all of the things that they have done to help you. And give them a shout out this week. Just send them a note or give them a shout out on Twitter or something like that. This National Assistant Principals Week, it's a great time to recognize 4 people who are working really, really hard to make Northwest High School the best it can be. NHS TV is looking for stories. It can be heartwarming stories. It can be great things people are doing. Maybe you've got a teacher who's been super dedicated to you, somebody who's helped you out a lot. Maybe there's a student who's doing something that is really helpful to others or the community. Share those stories with NHS TV. You can send them to NHS TV on Twitter at NHS TV. You can send an email to one of your NHS TV newscasters or Mr. Raw. And then the other thing that they're looking for is they are looking for some fun TikToks. And so they're looking for those from students and staff. So you can tweet those to NHS TV and share those, and you'll get to see them on NHS TV in the near future. And those are all the announcements I have for you today. Texans, have a great day. I love you. I miss you. And I look forward to seeing you again soon.